Type C or circle command. Enter. Click center point. Type radius. Enter. Press enter or repeat circle command. Click center point. Type diameter. Type D for diameter. Enter. Type diameter. Enter. Press enter or repeat circle command. Type 3P or 3-point circle. Enter. Click first point. Click second point. Click third point. Press enter or repeat circle command. Type 2P or 2-point circle. Enter. Click first point. Click second point. Press enter or repeat circle command. Type TTR for tangent radius circle. Enter. Select first tangent line. Select second line tangent line. Type radius. Enter. Check diameter. Select circle. Click. Click. Select circle. Click. Select circle. Click. Select circle. Click. Select circle. Click. Escape.